Welcome to Smart School app. Today we are going to see how to add categories, subcategories and book in library section. First we need to add category. To add category, under category section, click add, give a name, click add again. Now to add subcategory for this particular category, click add under subcategory section, select the category from the list, then give a name, click add. This way we can add all the subcategories and categories. To see subcategories of a particular category, select the category from category list and you will see all the subcategory list in subcategory section. Now we need to add books. So to add a book, under summary of book section, click add, select the category and subcategory, give name of the book, author of the book, then publisher, then published year, then description. Description is very important because with the help of description, later on we can search any kind of book from library. Suppose you have 3 numbers of such book, so I'm gonna write 3 as quantity, then click add. Okay, now to see all the list of books under this particular subcategory, we need to select that subcategory. We are going to see all the books here. Now this is just a summary of the book. Now we have 3 number of such books. So to see all the 3 number of such books, select the summary from the summary list. You're going to see all the 3 books here. Now suppose we have made a mistake and instead of 3 we have actually 2 books. We can easily rectify that problem by just removing one of this book from details of book. Just select any of this book, any one of this book, then click remove and click yes. That book will be deleted and the quantity will back to 2. Now to assign accession number and storage, we need to select one of this book and then click add accession number, give a accession number, suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then assign. Similarly, to add storage, select the book again and click on add storage, give the Almeida number as self number and then click assign. We can do the same steps for the second book. Add accession number 1 2 3 4 5 7, assign, and for storage select the book again, click storage A1 and S1. This way we can easily store all the books record of our library. Thank you.